been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you're safe and that you'll see you soon.
생선 조림 맛도 약간 생선 조림.
매워. 으아.